Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Alright, so we're going to replace the washer windshield wiper arm here. Pretty just flopping around like crazy. So we got the steering wheel here. We're going to turn it this way to get to that Phillips screw right there. I'm going to turn it the other way, get to that Phillips screw right there, and then underneath we'll get to that Phillips screw. So they're all left to loosen, right to tighten. So we're going to take those out. Taking out the last screw. 3 screws. We should be able to remove this shroud, is what they say. You take a screwdriver maybe and put it in here to the seam. Put a screwdriver in there to separate the two. I'll bring this down too maybe. Oh, it doesn't go very far down. Just make sure it's in the full down position. That's probably best. Just get in here and doing some prying on the switch here. Looks like it's separating. There we go. The tops off. Flip flop. Just need to pull the bottom away from the ignition switch so it'll come off like that. Then I think it's gonna snap in place. So we got our electrical connector. Push on that tab right there. I'm going to stick something sharp in here to push on the tab to release it. Alright, so we got this here, and we push on this tab right in here and release it. And it just comes right out. And push it on this tab right here. And it just slides back into place. Lock. Push. Unlock. New switch. Locks into place. Plug it in. Ugh. Then we'll just snap things back together and put the 3 screws in. Kind of look at the teeth here and the little clips here. Try and snap this back into place. Seems to do all right there on this side. See if we can snap it to place on this side. Ugh. Snap together. We'll put our 3 screws in, and that'll be replacing your windshield washer switch right there on your 2013 and perhaps other model years Hyundai Accent. Hyundai Accent.